Hello and good morning. My name is Christopher. I'm an amateur weather observer, and welcome to a new episode of my daily backyard weather observation here in our neighborhood, Lorne Park, Lakeshore, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. It's Thursday, July 4th, 2024, 8:30 in the morning. Mix of sun and clouds at 4 octas. Temperature, it's 23.6 degrees Celsius. The air quality reading is low at 4.2 microgram per cubic meter for fine particulate matter at 2.5 microns. The pressure is steady at 1012.0 millibars. Precipitation wise, let's check the rain gauge. No rain in the past 24 hours. And that zero measurement will be entered in the CoCoRaHS.org website under station ID CANWARN 646. Well, it's the middle of summer, and one of the joyful thing that I like about summer is watching the birds visit our half an acre property and gorge themselves on the bird seeds in our bird feeder. It's just so fascinating to see the different type of birds that we attract here in our property. And I started using this app that was developed by the Cornell lab. It's called the Merlin Bird ID. And what you can do is you can actually record, and the app, based on the tone and the pitch of the bird singing, they can identify the bird of types you have at that moment. And I tell you, in some busy morning, within a span of 3 minutes, the app could identify up to more than a dozen different type of birds. I remember we've had a red-bellied woodpecker, a nuthatch, cardinal, waxwings, of course the blue jays, the crows, the house sparrows. It's such a party. All different colors, all different type of birds just chirping, calling their friends, hey, come here, come here. We found some good seeds in this property. It's such a wonderful delight just to hear the cacophony of birds singing in the property. Well, I hope you have a chance to explore and also admire the birds in your property. Sometimes only takes 2 minutes. Just slow down and just pay attention, and you can slowly start hearing the birds chirping, and you'll be amazed how birds actually communicate, from one tree over the other, and just by chirping in synchronicity. So it's quite a delight to have that experience. Well, friends, enjoy your bird watching and listening to the birds chirping. And remember, wherever you are, remember that the sun is always there and the cloud shall eventually pass. Have an awesome day. See you again tomorrow. Take care.